Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing chicken breast on the Traeger Grill. Today we're doing the chicken strips. I had a comment on one of my followers comments saying, why don't you cook the chicken at 180 degrees for 10 minutes, then crank it up? And I thought, you know what, that's a good idea. So today, that's what we're going to do on these chicken breasts. Is we're going to cook them at 180 degrees, and then in 10 minutes, we're going to crank it up to 350. So 10 minutes on smoke setting, so it gets a nice little smoke getting going for 10 minutes, absorb all that great juicy flavor, and then hopefully it comes out delicious. So let's get this chicken prepared. Alright, here we have our rub of choice today. It's going to be the Meat Church Holy Voodoo Rub. Yeah. So let's go ahead and season these bad boys up really well. Give a nice coat of rub on these. We're going to do the same thing on both sides. Yeah. Meat Church has some damn good rub. If you guys haven't tried Meat Church yet, go ahead and give them a try. They're pretty damn good, not gonna lie. Pretty damn good. Nice season on them. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands because we do not want to cross-contaminate. Okay, and then let's go ahead and fire up that Traeger. So the pellets that we're gonna be using today are the hickory pellets from Traeger Grills. That's the one I use a lot and I love it. So that's the pellets that we'll be using today. Guys, let's go ahead and put our Traeger up to 180, and then we'll be back when it's ready. Alright guys, Traeger's hitting 180. We're about to put these guys in for 10 minutes. We'll be back. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes, and let's see where we're at those 10 minutes. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to crank it up to 350 degrees. And we'll be back in a half hour. Alright guys, we are back. It's been 30 minutes. We have not flipped them. We just let them be. Set them and forget it type. So right now, we're like at 170 there. We're doing the thick part. About 170, 58. So they're good to come out. Let's get them out. Before we start this cutting process, let's go ahead and have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright guys, here we have it. Let's go ahead and give it a cut because, God, man, it smells so good. That is good. Let's go ahead and taste it. Alright guys, here we have it. This so far is smelling really, really good. I mean, it looks good too, so let's give it a try. That Holy Voodoo has a great taste with the season and the blending of the spices they use. Wow, that's really damn good. This is good. Not bad. I like that 180 setting for 10 minutes. We might even go even longer. Maybe 15 minutes for 180 and then crank it up. You know, that might actually work too. It is really good. We're going to add a little bit of our famous Dave's barbecue sauce. Like that. Oh man. Oh boy. These chicken breast strips. Ooh, pretty damn good. Make sure you guys give this a try. If there's any other ways that you guys like to do the chicken breasts or chicken thighs, leave a comment of what you guys like to do, and I will try it in the videos and see how they come out. So any ideas you guys have, put them in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to check out this Hudson apron. There'll be a link in the description. These are great aprons that, oh my God, I love. This is the best apron. I've used 3 or 4, and so far this is the best. Check them out. I mean, I don't get nothing from them. They just gave me this for free, and I really love it. So I want you guys to try it out. Make sure you guys check out these videos. Traeger Blackstone. This one is really good. Whew. Try it out. I will see you guys next time.